Next question is, ABC is a right angled triangle at C. A line through the midpoint M. A line through the midpoint M of hypotenuse AB and parallel to BC. Intersects AC at D. ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at C. A line through the midpoint M of hypotenuse AB and parallel to BC intersects AC at D. Show that first bit is D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint of AC. Second bit, MD is perpendicular to AC. Third bit, CM is equal to MA is equal to half of AB. An important numerical. The solution is, first of all हम फिगर ड्रॉ करेंगे accordingly. ABC is a right angled triangle at C. इसका मतलब है ऐसा है. ABC is this triangle, right angled at C. So this is angle C. This angle is 90 degrees. This is vertex A, this is vertex B. So ABC is this triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle at C. A line through the midpoint M of hypotenuse AB. It means M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. M is here somewhere. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. A line through the midpoint M of hypotenuse AB and parallel to BC. यहाँ से एक लाइन हमने ड्रॉ किया है ऐसा, parallel to BC. Intersects AC at D. A line through the midpoint M of hypotenuse, a line through the point M, midpoint of AB. We have drawn a line MD parallel to BC, which meets AC at D. Show that. ये तीन bits prove करना है. Isn't it? Now the solution is, directly मैं यहाँ लिख दूंगा. In triangle ABC, M is the midpoint of AB. Question में दिया है. ये दोनों same है ना? M is the midpoint of AB. MD is parallel to BC. M is the midpoint of AB. MD is parallel to BC. It means a line drawn through the midpoint of one side parallel to the other side bisects the third side. Converse of midpoint theorem. वही बात मैं लिखूंगा. Solution is इन ट्रायंगल, कौन सा ट्रायंगल? ABC. In triangle ABC, M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint of AB, and MD is parallel to BC. M is the midpoint of AB and MD is parallel to BC. A line drawn through the midpoint, of one side parallel to the other side bisects the third side, therefore D is the midpoint. Therefore D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint of AC. By concept, which concept? Converse of midpoint theorem. Converse of midpoint theorem say, isn't it? So this is the first bit we have proved. D is the midpoint of AC. वही हमें प्रूव करना है, bit number 1. Converse of midpoint theorem. Okay. Next, MD is perpendicular to AC. MD is perpendicular to AC है करके प्रूव करना है ना. Now, MD is parallel to BC. MD is parallel to BC. DC is a transversal, isn't it? Now, MD is parallel to BC. ये दोनों parallel lines है ऐसे. ये दोनों parallel lines है, and ADC is a transversal, and ADC is a transversal है. So if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal. ये तो ये वाला एंगल और ये वाला एंगल दोनों इक्वल होंगे. ये वाला एंगल का नाम क्या है? ADM. Therefore angle ADM is equal to ADM, that is DCB. DCB are equal, isn't it? ये दोनों पैरेलल लाइन्स है, isn't it? ये दोनों पैरेलल लाइन्स है, ये ट्रांसवर्सल है, ऐसा है. ये दोनों पैरेलल लाइन्स है, ये ट्रांसवर्सल है. So this angle and this angle are corresponding angles. So MD is parallel to BC and ADC is a transversal. So ADM is equal to DCB. What is that? Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. So लेकिन DCB कितना दिया है? DCB ये वाला एंगल तो 90 डिग्री से, ये एंगल C is 90 डिग्री दिया है ना. So इसके प्लेस में 90 रख दो. So therefore ADM is equal to 90 degrees since angle DCB is equal to, मतलब एंगल C, right angle at C है ना, right angle at C करके बोला है. So DCB is how much? 90 degrees. So therefore ADM is 90 degrees. ADM 90 degrees से इसका मतलब क्या है? MD is perpendicular to AC. Therefore MD is perpendicular to AC. Second bit is this, isn't it? Fine. ये अगर 90 होगा तो ये वाला भी एंगल 90 डिग्री ही होगा. This is 90 degrees, this is also 90 degrees, perpendicular है. अब CM is equal to मतलब CM मतलब ये वाला ज्वाइन कर दो. अब ये ज्वाइन करो. CM is equal to ये M है करके प्रूव करना है. Now एक काम करो, इन ट्राइंगल्स ADM CDM ट्राइंगल्स लेना. Now इन ट्राइंगल्स, कौन कौन सा ट्राइंगल्स? ADM and CDM, ये वाला ट्राइंगल एक ट्रायंगल को मैं रेड स्केच के साथ हाईलाइट कर दे रहा हूं, ये वाला एक ट्रायंगल को मैं ब्लू स्केच के साथ मैं हाईलाइट में करूंगा. दिस इज सी डी एम. एक ट्रायंगल ब्लू स्केच के साथ मैंने हाईलाइट किया है, दिस इज, एंड एक ट्रायंगल जो है रेड ट्रायंगल ये है. इसमें in this red triangle ADM CDM, AD is equal to CD, AD is equal to CD. Why? Because D is the midpoint of AC. D midpoint है ना, so AD और CD equal होगा. So AD is equal to CD. Since D is the midpoint, D is the midpoint of AC. हमने already prove कर दिया है उसे, isn't it? इस एंगल को एंगल 1 करके नाम दे दो. से दिस इज एंगल 1. इस एंगल को आप नाम दे दो एंगल 2. दिस इज एंगल 2. दिस इज, इस एंगल को एंगल 2, इस एंगल को एंगल 1. सो एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2 ईच 90 डिग्रीज, क्योंकि वो परपेंडिकुलर है, वो भी हमने प्रूव कर दिया है. And DM is equal to DM is common side. DM is equal to DM is common side in both the triangles. Common side. So by S, this is S, ye, S, S, ye, S, S, ye, S, S, ye, S. This triangle and this triangle are congruent. Therefore, triangle, कौन सा triangle? ADM. ADM is congruent to triangle CDM. CDM by SAS congruent criterion. The two triangles are congruent. ADM, CDM are congruent by SAS congruent criterion. If these two triangles are congruent, CPCT, this part will be equal to, this part is equal to this part, isn't it? That is, AM is equal to CM होगा ना, AM is equal to CM by CPCT. So that is, AM is equal to CM. AM is equal to CM. This is CPCT corresponding parts of congruent triangles. इसे भी हाईलाइट कर दो. Say this is equation number 1. Now, M is the midpoint, no? M is the midpoint. किसका midpoint है? AB का midpoint है. M is the midpoint of AB, isn't it or not? So, AB का half कितना होगा? AB का half ये M होगा. So, उसको भी मैं लिखूंगा. What is that? Now, ये M is equal to, देखो AB का मिड पॉइंट है, ये मिड पॉइंट, तो ये M कितना होगा? ये M is equal to AB का हाफ. सो ये M is equal to half of AB. Since M is the midpoint, M is the midpoint of AB. इसे भी हाईलाइट कर दो. इसे इक्वेशन नंबर 2. This is equation number 1. So now from equations 1 and 2, look at here, AM is equal to CM, AM is equal to half of AB. AM CM का equal है, AM AB का half का equal है, AB का half, isn't it? So AM is equal to, क्या होगा? AM is equal to CM. AM का वैल्यू CM के इक्वल है, AM का वैल्यू हाफ ऑफ AB, इसका मतलब this and this all are equal. So AM is equal to CM is equal to half of AB. That is, AM is equal to, this is AM is equal to CM is equal to half of AB is the final statement.